Right guys, back on Vauxhall Vivaro van. We're doing handbrake cable today. So I've got the new cable off Amazon, I think it were, because it's easier. Just put reg in and it gives you a part. Mine snapped from just underneath the handbrake cable in the just under the handbrake in the van, so it's just a long part before it separates to the wheels. So we're going to get on with that. Okay. So handbrakes cables under here. Just have to. There's a clip this side and a clip this side, and it just lifts forward. Okay. Just push that into. You can see this just here. It's the end of the cable. You just have to literally pull the handbrake cable up, handbrake up, and it pushes up. Look. Pull that out, so that's loose. And then just under here is where it holds it into the handbrake itself, and the housing, and that we just have to squeeze it down and push it through to the underneath, and then we'll get through. We'll go down and have a look what's happening underneath. Okay, you can see that. Right, so that's pushed out now. You can just about see it there. It does take a lot of fiddling. I have to push it out with 2 screwdrivers, like little tabs all the way around it. You have to like push them in as well as pushing down on it. So yeah, it's a bit fiddly, but you can do it with a couple of screwdrivers, flatheads. Yeah, and just push them down. Right, we're underneath. I don't know if you can see that very clearly. This is directly underneath the handbrake. So this is what we just unattached up in the cab. It goes into this bracket here, the end of that. See, mine's obviously snapped. Goes into there, like so, like that. That just squeezes out again, same, just pull that out. That up there, that goes into the cab, and that just pulls it down now. As you can see, we're up there, that's the cab, there's the end. Just literally pull that up there. Right, so we'll go and get the new cable, feed that through. Then we need to thread it down underneath of this, the other side of this tank. There's the end of the cable. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's snapped off there, and it goes all the way underneath this fuel tank and to there. Look, you can see that. Yeah. Then it attaches to them too, and they spread off to each wheel. Right, so, right, go and get the new cable. Okay, this is the new cable. As you can see that bit where it splits off to 2. I've cut this end, didn't realise. That's the bit that goes into the handbrake itself. Get a new rubber seal for that bit underneath. Underneath there. And that's the bit that goes into that bracket. Bit that goes towards the over the fuel tank. And there's 2 where it splits off. Get that in now. Okay, this is a bit clearer now. So This is my new cable. Just got to thread that up there through that hole and literally just push it in. I'll take a little bit of wiggling, but it's gonna go in, and then that rubber sleeve just pushes up to that, and that's that end. That's that sorted on that. So that's that. Tight. Not very well. So on this end, I don't know if you can see, yeah, there is kind of like a split pin. I'm just trying to get this torch to stay so you can see. Yeah, that's it. So on this side, there's like a split pin. So you've got like an end there like that, and a pin just goes through it. Like that. It's just a clip, and then pin goes through that. And then I'll hold on to the other side. So I'm just going to do that. So it's a bit hard to do with one hand. Right, so mine decided to snap my clip, so I couldn't get that off. Couldn't get this bit away. So what I've done now is tied a bit of string to this side. Just there's a hole back there that this goes through. If you can't see that, I don't know. There's a hole. So once you pull this through, there's no way of getting that back through the new cable. So tie a bit of string to it and pull the cable from the other side, and then you will be able to pull it back through with the string. I'll just show you what I mean. Reach the other side. I can't reach. No. Right, so this is the back bit. And I've just literally pulled that cable through there. This is the string now. The cable's here. That's my end. I'll tied it. So now what I'm going to do is disconnect that cable, string from that cable. Pull my other one through, and it goes through here. Through there, and then all the way up there, past the, and back to the string. Right, so I've got it through there, threaded that through, and as you can see just up there, there's the end on the string. So I'm going to attach that in now with that little clip, and then I'll show you what I'm doing on the back end. Okay, so that's the clip secured onto the other side. That's all it is. Just a pin through there, and then that just pushes down like that. Just got to thread that back through there now because there's a bit too much cable. That I should pull back through. And I need to go up the top and just attach that to my handbrake first. So now I can get that back in. Right, so here's my cable. Just got to literally feed it back through there and then push it down onto there. So literally that's in there now. Okay. That's all the way seared down in there. Right, so as you can see, I've got all this back on now. Cable through there into there, it's like on a ball. Two little balls that go into that connector, and then behind there, the other side of that is a nut. Just have to tighten that back up, and that pulls that towards this frame, and then it tightens everything up for this cable. Tightens that all back up. So I'll just do that now. I'll show you where the nut is. It's just located behind here. Just there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. Just there. That just needs tightening back up. And that's all good. Should be all good. Okay. That's all tightened up. Show you. Okay, all sorted, all nice and tight. Thanks for watching, guys.